Okay, year one, some of you have been asking me how to use wordreference.com. So what I've done just quickly is to put together a little mini guide for using wordreference.com and not Google Translate, which is naughty. Okay, so hang on. Right, now then. So wordreference.com, here we are, wordreference.com, that's what you need to type in. All you're doing is you type in the little bar here what you want to look up. So say we want to look up something incredibly important like biscuit. Okay, and we make sure on over here that it's English to French, not any of the other things that are on there. So English to French, and we press go. All right, and here you can see the definitions that word reference comes up with. First of all, that's how you pronounce it. There's a phonetic symbols there, but we don't need to worry about those too much. Here it tells us what kind of word it is. It's a noun, a word that you can put V in front of. So there you go, the GB version of the noun, the British version is biscuit or petit gâteau. So that's what we would want to use. The US version of a biscuit is a pain au lait. We are British, aren't we? So we stick with the GB one. You'll notice after the definition it says M, and I know that you know that that stands for masculine, and therefore we can put le for V in front of it, le biscuit, or we can put un for A in front of it, un biscuit. D'accord? Okay, so say if we were to look up a feminine now, like table, which in French is la table, there you go. So again, it tells us it's a noun, it tells us what kind of word it really is, and table, and the F for feminine, so we know because there's an F, it's feminine, and you can put une or la in front of it. Now, obviously, sometimes words mean more than one thing in a language. So table, for example, can mean the kind of table you do your homework or you have dinner on, or it can mean a mathematical table, or a list of things, a table of, I don't know what, a table of names or something. And it shows you here how to say that as well. So you need to always read through carefully the different kinds of word and make sure you're choosing the right one and you're not trying to say a list when you mean a table. Alright. Now the other slight thing to remember is, say you wanted to look up a word like, I don't know, charm. Charm is one of those many words that is a noun and a verb. So you can have the charm, as in le charme, the capacity to please, or it can be a verb, charmer, to charm. So you've got to make sure that if you want to say the charm, something you put a verb in front of it's a noun, but if you're trying to say something you're doing, that's a verb, charmer, that's a bit different. Okay, I hope that's helped a bit.